Hi. After successfully install this app, you can visit our dashboard. At first, we have the configuration WhatsApp button, and then Messenger, and then WhatsApp buy button. Enable it. Configuration, put number with country code, button position, color, icon color, button animation, message, tooltip, device visibility, business hours. Save it. Go to Messenger, enable it, write page title, button position, button color, icon color, animation, tooltip, device visibility, page visibility, business hours. Save it. WhatsApp button, enable it, and button text, button background, button text, message text. You can also put product title, product link, and product variant. Save it. Go to front page, reload it. We see two button. Click WhatsApp button. If you want to open your default app, then open WhatsApp. Open app with your text and send. You can send. And if you want to use web WhatsApp, and then two button are same. When close pop up, and then two button are same. Continue. And if you open app, first time you can use app, otherwise this button are also same. Here is a text and send. If you want to buy button with buy button, then click. There is also same. If you like to open your existing app, then open. And if you first time close, then there is a two button are also same. Open WhatsApp, and here is a text, message, product title, and product URL. And then if we go to Messenger, click Messenger, open message, inbox to your page. Here is a page. We link in here. This page open in here. This page open in here. You can write anything. Hello. So that's all. Thank you.